Beautiful large studio in Forest Hills. This entrance. It's the hallway. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. On the entrance there's a double door closet here. It's the entrance to the bathroom. There's another closet here. And it's the bathroom, all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. That's the kitchen here. Beautiful kitchen. A lot of cabinets. And this is the living room. Large living room. Two windows here, another window on the left. Air conditioning goes here. It's the heat. Beautiful apartment, 1 block from the Austin Street in Yellowstone Boulevard. Very close to the 71st Continental, the E train, Express train, F train, M train and R train. Also very close to LIR. Grocery shops. An apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so you can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video.